In this mini tutorial, we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word enthusiasm in English. If you stick around to the end, I'll tell you the main error that you can avoid making with this word. Here we have the script from the dictionary, and you can see that the first purple mark there shows us that we stress syllable 2 and that the word is divided into 5 syllables. So we stress syllable 2, repeat after me. Enthusiasm. Syllable 1 is quite short. We begin with the I vowel and then we have a N up in the nose. So repeat after me, in. Syllable 2 is the strong syllable, as I said, and we pronounce it with the th and then a y and an oo. So together, repeat after me, it's thew. From the way that this word is written, you might not expect the y sound to be in there. In fact, many people will pronounce this word without the y, so it would sound more like enthusiasm. But what we're looking for today, practicing with the script from Cambridge Dictionary, has the y, so we're looking for enthusiasm. Syllable 3 is just a nice short one. We've got the z, which is voiced, so you want vibration in your throat, and a short e. So together, repeat after me, that's z. Syllable 4 then, we've got the short a vowel, followed by another z sound. So repeat after me, as. The final syllable then is just a very weak schwa sound followed by the up in the nose. So that's Repeat after me, Putting all of that back together again, remember to stress syllable 2. Repeat after me nice and loud. Enthusiasm. Enthusiasm. As I said at the beginning, there's one main error that tends to occur with this word, and it relates to the letter S. Although it's written here as an S 2 times, it's actually pronounced as a voiced Z sound. So your takeaway point for today is to remember to voice those S's and turn them into Zs. So for the last time today, repeat after me, nice and loud, enthusiasm. I hope you found that useful. If you did, then please hit like to support the channel. And if you have any questions or requests for future videos, then please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.